thong ban wanra ya ka khoi ka suba bat ban pun kalador ya ka than Patharkhmah kum ka we na ki jaka ka balat na ka jingpynjaboh bat ka jaka ka ba penne pensa ba sumaria ka me mariang ka office jong SDO Patharkhmah Civil Subdivision ha ka jingetre lang bat ka office u Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoi District lam bat ka Meghalaya Basin Management Agency menta ka sngi kila pelat bat ba ya ka we ka program balatip kum ka Green Force Patharkhmah ya ka jingya lang ban pelat bat ba man sedang ya ka te ka thong la penlong ha Patharkhmah Community Hall bat lawan ban plie bat ba do ba sustenance soton Myntri ka sarkar jala badairu MLA ka jirang kum ukongsan ha ka jingdan lang u Chaitanya Awasti SDO ka Patharkhmah Civil Subdivision u ba petal thangkheu rangba shnong Patharkhmah u samla ba bak wa lang President ka Patharkhmah Youth Club and Social Welfare Organization lam bat kiwe ki rangba bat kinong ya lam shnong ka thong jong ka ne ka Green Force Patharkhmah ka long ban wanra ya ka khut ka suba ha ka te ka than ban sumaria ka me mariang na do ki wa bat ki saudong saukun ban pen kala dor ya ka te ka than ban long ru ka jing hikai ya iwe pa iwe ba ka khut ka suba ka long ka bakong san na do ka jing itanat bat ka kwat ka khya henry ka jingpynjaboh ya ka me mariang ka de ka kambe an ha ka ba kin don ru ki khamat ki ban pet ngor bat pet perman ya ki briu ki ba pen khen an kin ngat ha ka kuna bat ka jingsha pen shitam bat lingba ka yatre lang inter village development championship kan pen khlan ya ka jing yatre lang ha pedeng ki shnong ban sumari ki wa bat ban wanra ya ka jingkho ha ka emlang sa lang ha ga ni ka sngi la samru ya ki tiar pen kho na do ki juti ki jing sapkti ban pen dan kam ha ka jing pen kho ya ki saudong saukun bat ha ka te ka jo ka sngi la pen long ru ya ka jing pen kho ya ka madan football ki road ki kyar da ka jing shim benta lang o Myntri lam bat ki officer bat ki pat ba nong shong shnong
Tukat ba isa yang aku play ngapan kemau hang ni yang ni borolang ba nadu dang ni sakmat
So we are really grateful. I would also like to take this opportunity to briefly correct the headman when he said that this Green Force was my vision. I might have implemented it, but to be very honest, I think in one of the first discussions when I joined with Honorable Minister Sir, we had a discussion and he asked me if we could do something about cleanliness, electricity and few other issues he mentioned. So I'm truly honored to share, sir, that some of your visions are now being implemented in the form of Green Force and other things. As for electricity also, we are having the entire MECL team from Shillong coming down next week to Patharkhmah, and the entire whole structure right from Lilac to Patharkhmah is being done in a new way, sir, under RDSS. So with that being said, it is truly an honor and privilege to be present here to mark this milestone movement. For those of you who know, on March 23rd, I think Babak is here, it was 23rd March, that an appeal was made to the residents of Patharkhmah that whether we can clean Umshayat River. I just got down, sir, on my vehicle one day and I saw a beautiful sunset, and below the sunset I saw a completely different story. It was entirely littered, the entire river bank was dirty, and I happened to just sign an administrative order banning any littering activity. And that I personally feel is the easiest thing to do. You just sign an order, you put it on a notice board, whether it gets followed or not, who bothers? But I'm truly grateful to the headman and the youth club.
You don't take the officers, you trace them, you don't come, you can support, but in I can change trailer. Competition. Apalagi the officers, ringkat berunomi materi, nangka ringkat bermapi kita nong solusi. Ikut sama. Kibadai kelawai nak kerja ke society, bak kelawai nak kerja berdiri dan kelawai nak kerja lagi. Kilong kami, ibisip yang kerja kerau, kilong tu kikam. nak benta pada don benta iron kam ye kecil trelang aparo ibenta dan kompeti kabamenta kesni bingo Myntri lain berlai paiba nak benta kini kesijam beringkong nak benta puno bunyo ban berkat ye kecil suba jeung mariang iaka kiputa ilong kiwa baru kecil yang kecil pendek yang kiding isi kini baru kini kibenta kiba mangingin apa syariah karena joy itu ba pinjo yang kesepah juga bertei kenai pinduno yang kejingkut ke suba pinduno yang ke air ubi kalau air kut kaba mangingin dalam kam nak benta pengiyo penting mesin kejing siapa kejumpi hari ini kesini kalau kakak dan lusa nak benta terlawe kaba kikun kejumpi kidon kam nak benta kalenti kaba pipi dalam iki aglanti kaba baik kalenti kaba maki kinbut ya kisejam kima pipi ya syekma kejing shimta ikut sama ilongbe grandpa ile kapur nak benta kerika cleaning drive kalau shimta kum kejing kesilkia bat kunju kalau shimta nak benta kejing rakir dan kejing mau bangine ban pensa penne ya kejing ko je kemarin bangine ban pensa penne ya iklau kita baru kirang kisorashnong ki seng samashnong ki senglong kami bat ki padwa baru ki jama nagalian jongi ko kinongelang ngisokmen habangi i bagi padwa kinong shong kikiu abaro kibenta nikwa bagi nong shong kijongi kibadon hapo konsensi kijongi kindap pinbiang kinkiu syukrang abaro kibenta tenagalian soka